Go.
Hi guys and welcome back to Leg Up with Cassie. We haven't been to the driving range in a long time, even though I've been playing a lot of golf recently. So today we're going to be working on holding my wrist in the irons. So let's get into it.
Okay, thanks Cassie. So today we're going to be working again on something we did about a month ago. Check out the video. And it's about the wrist hinge, holding the wrist hinge a little bit longer and then releasing. For Cassie will feel very late. So she often releases around here. We lose a lot of the impact because the club face is releasing too early. So for Cassie, she's going to feel like the hands are really coming down into here before she releases. So it's going to look like this. Okay, so the hands drop, the 90-degree wrists are held, get right down to here, and then we release. And we're going to be hitting the ball, the grass, after the ball. So if we do it too early, we often hit the grass and the ball at the same time. We're going to feel like we're brushing the grass over there. So it's hinge. Really feel like holding that 90 degrees till the last second. For Cassie, it's going to feel like an extra long time. See it from down the line. Right down there. Not early. Great contact. You don't have to swing hard to get the result we need. So without swinging hard, we get a great ball flight, really good impact, and good direction. Let's see how Cassie does. Okay, that one you let it go early, so you didn't hold the angle of your wrists. Okay, nice shot. Yeah, that's good, straight, 100 yards. Yeah, lovely. Great shot. Well done. Oh, that's a lovely swing. Smidgen right, which means you have to keep the turn going through. So Cassie's going to feel like she's holding the hinge really right to the last second and then releasing. That's a lovely shot. Dead straight and about 105. So the goal is to hold that hinge. Feel like the wrist is being held a little bit longer than normal. And another wonderful swing. That went 115. Oh, beautiful, dead straight, 110. Sound like you just lost it a little bit. Left? Okay, so the goal is to hold the wrist angle. Good swing. Oh, that's perfect. 9-iron dead straight, 115. Good shot. Wee bit left. Stay in your posture. That's the one. We can hear the sound crunch through. Perfect. That was perfect, wasn't it? Great job, you. Okay, Cass, how did that go then?
It was pretty easy. Most of them were going straight and long, so.
Yep, it's just a matter of being aware of making sure you make that swing every time.
And getting like the contact.
That's right, really coming through the contact and getting great results. Well played.
So thanks for watching.